Eh, saan pa? Are you gonna do service today? It's a Sunday and it's a Eid long weekend. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And actually, ilang weeks na rin kami dito sa Dubai. It's just that we've been so busy lately and you know, nakababad lang sa work and wala tayong masyadong upload. And si Buntis ay kain na kain.
Gutom ako lagi. Lagi na lang.
Ayun na, sumisipa-sipa na palagi si baby namin. Gumagalaw-galaw na. And tara, trabaho tayo. Okay. Let us check on Kuya. Medyo may mga things na kailangan tayo i-address. So mamaya sa kusina, iba yung mood ko. Sa kusina, medyo, yun nga, I guess, yun nga palagi ko sinasabi sa mga nag-a-apply sa amin, sa Kuya or sa Sarsa, na iba yung nakikita nyo sa social media and iba yung nasa kusina. Kasi I guess, black and white ako eh. Pag social media, syempre, yun yung other side ko. Sa kusina, mamaya makita nyo. Di naman ako...
He's very serious.
And stricto. Tapos pag nagalit ako, nagagalit talaga ako. Pero ngayon na-tone down ko na yan yung temper ko. Before, grabe talaga.
Sobra.
Oo.
Iba ka na?
Meron pa rin, pero...
Pero nag-mature ka na talaga.
Oo.
Iba ka na.
Every time magagalit ako, hindi ko kailangan yung tao hindi uuwi na may resentment sa'yo. Kailangan mo i-explain bakit ka nagalit. So mamaya, hindi ako magagalit. Magtatanong lang ako kung ano yung nangyari. Going to work, this is the best drive for me. This road, where you kind of like have a perspective of where you are. Maybe parang metropolis na talaga. And I mean, it's the desert, but there's so much happening here. And yun, ang konti ng tao. Pero, yun nga eh. I mean, yung Middle East, palaging nakakalimutan. Or in a way, like most, parang normally we would migrate to North America, to Australia, or to Europe. But there's so much here in the Middle East. I mean, kung marunong kang tumingin or gusto mo sa isang lugar na I don't know, hirap i-explain. Basta nandito kami kasi yun nga, like nakita namin yung kakulangan
And the possibilities.
Oo. Dami pang pwede mangyari sa Filipino food. And yun nga, going back, yung kakulangan na umangat pa ang pagkain natin. Gusto ko sana mas marami pang gagawa ng ganito. Or yung magpupush pa ng Filipino food. Meron na rin, pero damihan pa natin para lalo aangat yung pagkain natin.
If you were given a chance to do a pop-up next year or pop-ups next year, which countries would you want to do it in?
I want to try Canada, actually.
Which part?
Toronto.
Toronto.
Ilonggo ko daan, Toronto. Toronto.
I want to see Montreal, to be quite honest. I haven't been there.
Montreal.
But the last time I was in Toronto, I was very young. So maybe it's a different experience now.
Tsaka next time pupunta tayo, may +1 na tayo.
Oo nga eh. That'd be nice. I'd like to experience that.
Ito na. So you make a right
in this rotunda. roundabout.
Yun na yung ating kuya dito sa Dubai. Yung ating maliit na lanay or greenhouse. Yan, maraming tao ng konti kasi it's Father's Day.
And it's also a long weekend.
It's a Sunday.
Usually ganitong long weekend, we get a lot of visitors from Abu Dhabi, mga Kuwait,
last night,
Saudi, Bahrain. Which is really nice, nakaka-touch.
Yung nga, yung taga Kuwait na family. Nung sinabi nila we came from Kuwait, bigla akong, uy, parang syempre, di ba, you've traveled such a long way to come to us. Parang nakakaba ng puso. And parang you really want to make sure that sulit naman yung pagpunta.
May pasalubong pa sila. Dinikit na they gave a magnet and now it's on our fridge.
And sa mga taga Dubai, yung mga taga Abu Dhabi rin we really appreciate you guys coming
Sobra.
over. I know it's an hour and a half to get to us, but maraming salamat. Okay. Sunsets in Dubai.
Sisig calamares. Malabot sisig calamares. Gaston.
Actually, for me, so may isang pang 20.
May ilang pagbuo ko dalawa to.
Ang gulay dito ready na
Gusto ko yung ano?
Garlic rice, nakapila yan?
Marami rin.
Marami.
Dito, di ba?
Okay.
Sampu ata.
Okay.
Ready tayo sa dalawang plain rice, please.
May turon dyan
Opo, Sheikh. Paplato na po. Son, nasukal, Son. Ready?
Masarap yung garlic rice.
Kasama KFC yan.
Table ano yan? $26, no? All out. Ayun.
Kailangan ko yung lingua. Ayaw ano. Pinakit.
Then, meron kaming isang bisita doon. Hindi na natin ituro. Basta, somewhere over there. Mga South Africans. First time to try Filipino food and they are blown away. They are so happy with their food. And I guess that's the reason why I'm here in Dubai. To sort of like, not sort of like, to show the world that our food is amazing. Because it is. And so is she. There won't be a kuya without Camille. Si Camille actually nag-coin ng name ng kuya. Tama ba? No? Ano nga yung dahilan bakit mo tinawag kuya?
Para lang it's easier to pronounce.
So it's spelled with a double O. Okay, ayaw niya na magpa-interview. Okay, hayaan na natin siya. Thank you so much. Today was a good day. Hindi siya stressful. And smooth yung dispatch ng konti. No, it was good, right? It was pretty good.